Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Are you seeing that annoying Roblox error code 0, the authentication failed message? It can definitely stop your fun right in its tracks. This error usually points to a connection issue or a problem verifying your account details. But don't worry, getting it fixed is often simpler than you think. We're here to guide you through some straightforward solutions so you can jump back into your favorite Roblox experiences without any hassle. Let's start with the basics. First, double-check your internet connection. Make sure it's stable and performing as it should be. Then, try completely closing Roblox and reopening it. If that doesn't work, a full device restart, whether it's your computer or phone, can often clear up many minor issues. For network-related problems, a quick power cycle of your Wi-Fi router might also do the trick, refreshing your connection completely. Next, let's look at some network adjustments. Sometimes, your computer's DNS cache can store old information, so flushing it might help. Just search Flush DNS for quick instructions. Also, if you're using a VPN or a proxy service, try turning it off temporarily. These services, while useful, can sometimes interfere with Roblox's authentication process. Disabling them for a moment often allows a clean connection to be made. Now, let's consider your system's security. Occasionally, your antivirus software or firewall might mistakenly block Roblox from connecting properly. Try temporarily disabling them, then launch Roblox to see if the error persists. Remember to re-enable them afterwards for your safety. Keeping your operating system and graphics drivers fully updated is also a good practice, preventing compatibility issues. If you've tried all these steps and are still seeing error code 0, a complete reinstallation of Roblox might be necessary. This helps clear out any corrupted files. Simply uninstall it completely, then download the newest version from the official website. If the problem persists even after that, your best next step is to reach out directly to Roblox support. They can offer more specific assistance tailored to your account and setup, helping you get back to gaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.